Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to manage multiple loans in Lendio. If you have more than one active loans through Lendio, you can keep track of them in a structured way using the platform. Here's how. First, log into your Lendio dashboard and then go to the My Loans or Active Loans section. You're going to see a list of all of your loans, each showing loan type, balance remaining, interest rates, and repayment schedule. Go ahead and click on each loan to view detailed repayment history as well as upcoming payments and payoff amounts. Now, if juggling multiple loans feels overwhelming, you can use Lendio's loan management tool or just speak to your funding manager to explore consolidation into a single loan or refinancing options or just adjusted repayment schedule. Set up auto pay for each loans to avoid missed payments. You also want to regularly download repayment statements for bookkeeping and tax purposes. A quick tip is if your loan has have different repayment dates, you want to align them through refinancing or modifications just to simplify cash flow management. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.